Family, although we don't come with the program again, we are face to face with the law. Face to face with the law. We they join on with the Constitutional Review Committee for bringing the program to you. Family, you will remember say for several months now, face to face with the law and the Constitutional Review Committee, we call CRC, don't they come every Tuesday for bring different topic them to for able for know how the Constitutional Review Committee they work, how certain subcommittee they inside the big CRC they work, and various people and non they come. But today we want for bring to you a very top person at the CRC, the Constitutional Review Committee. If not, they already pan tap all. And the easy why I want for do this, one, na for make you salon person able for understand exactly what in the Constitutional Review Committee done they do from 2013 July where it start operation to date. And also let you able for know waiting and waiting some of the good things the way the CRC not able for do. But after one day it go good again, make you know family waiting some of the challenges them. The thing they waiting up before the CRC way they tower pan and they block them for make them not able for reach them goal to the same way then they run for richly. Good for make you know. Because people in the ask again say, hey, we're waiting a Constitutional Review Committee then work. Or waiting and they perform where they inform them. Remember, several questions don't come from the public, but people they ask, CRC don't form for several months. What are they don't do? Oh, the neighbor for Goya, the neighbor for Goyanda. They say they're not on free tongue. Why? From them, other questions then, you know, you sabi them. You agree with me. You know them. Where today, the Constitutional Review Committee come out for say, okay, and then come for answer some of them questions the way they inside people in mind, or where some of them people in the active. And also when they come for explain to the public, make them know how the Constitutional Review Committee tin up from July 2013 to date. And this now 2015. Outside the Constitutional Review Committee go on for go by the 2013 the end. Outside them things say they go don't reach. So family, it's very important. Very important. Because all tell the guy they being different subcommittee, they are being different topics, and very good. But again, if you're not able to know the basis, you're not able to know the background, let able get and clear, you go to ask wrong question there. So then you're going to make statement in a public we're not correct. And something you're not can find, you're not can give good picture at all. So the CIC don't see that they all, they don't know that one they all. So they say, okay, today you go send the boss man for come and talk to the public and make a lot of things clear, make put CIC plain at the table, let all man see from 2013 till 14 till 15. Say we don't reach through with the work I go now. The public know what they want for do, what they don't they do, what is the problem there, and what they expect for do by 2015 the end. And so family, today the topic for the face to face with the law and the Constitutional Review Committee. Now, the achievements and challenges of the CRC in 2014 and the prospects for 2015. I'll go over for you again. The achievements and the challenges of the Constitutional Review Committee in 2014 and the prospects for 2015. Well, I'm not sure you ask me now for you, Pan Creole. I go try. The topic Pan Creole say, waiting na the thing the way Constitutional Review Committee not able for do. The good thing they were able for do from where they form them in July 2013. And waiting at the thing the way they see say they want to do them more, but it look heavy. But in the press, then they try for good, it challenges them. And waiting go make them not able for achieve some of them golden day. That's waiting block them in 2014. Waiting they achieve in 2014. And also waiting they want for get inside 2015. So family, today the panelists possibly you know don't be a judge of the Superior Court salon for very long. You don't serve the parliament of this country again for several years, distinguishing yourself very, very well. You don't serve even a civil service. You don't serve now different other places of the terrorism for very, very young. You see, the watch me say, Uste. And also, presently, in the ombudsman for the whole salon, the institution where they side and they go they complain if something wrong by government business, by any institution advantage, side and they complain, then go before kind side and say for talk and find way, palava no commodity. And pantap that one day again, now the chairman of the Constitutional Review Committee. I want to introduce to you the Honorable Mr. Justice Edmond Kawan. I can tell family.
Yeah, family, good evening.
Well, I don't say what ask me say 91 green because now told all thing we can pass CRC business. So everything where they can tell you correcting. Wrong information not going to go. Correcting. What's that the plan them? What's that the thing they not achieve? What's that the challenges them? What's that they want forget at the end of the day? And what's that some of the problem them? And Bantam down, we don't forget to go talk about Ebola before we go. Small because we don't the feta. We don't Ebola, we feta back. So we go richly. But for Ebola, yourself can join up and stock. You can send your text na 079 008 602 079 008 602. You can send your text. Can make contribution. Can even send WhatsApp safe because it's a good phone. Send WhatsApp message, we will get them, ask you question, make any points. Honorable Justice Edmond Kawan there, he go answer you, he go respond, he go clarify. If you doubt you get safe. So believe me, today you will get the answer. And so once more, the topic for the face-to-face with the law and the CRC program this evening. Now the achievements and challenges of the CRC in 2014 and the prospects for 2015. We'll go straight to the program. Now, Honorable Mr. Justice Edmond Kawan, people they say when the CRC, the Constitutional Review Committee, form or officially come into being in July of 2013. And 2013 be done. 2014 don't come, it done. So people are in concern. And the primary aim of the CRC now for review this present 1991 constitution we would use now this country, with an Act number 6 of 1991, see anything they don't need for adjust, anything they don't need for add, something they don't need for pull commot, so that Salon go able to get a constitution at the end of the day, we will all go work out as a country. We'll go for savvy, better one. But people they ask say, okay, 2013 we don't pass. Because 2013 CIC begin. We go left down in a few months. But 2014, a whole year, waiting at some of the achievement or the thing that we see I not able for put under control.
Thank you very much, Lawyer Fona. We don't do plenty things, you know, but not to all things where you they do, you they Allah say, they do this, they do this.
Okay.
Some of the things that way you they do, nothing where you they do quiet. You they meet people there, you and they talk. You tell them what in the problem. But you see, the first thing where I want to let people understand, when President launched this CRC,
yes, sir,
we find out say, beaucoup people in this country not ever see that document where they talk about the constitution.
Yeah, beaucoup no say
that. They not get them.
Yes.
And what you make they say so nothing will approve.
Okay.
Because when they go round at their meeting, one of the first questions where they ask people, una already in this hall, how many of you don't ever own the constitution of Sierra Leone? So they're out of 100 people within at the hall, now 5 or 10 people.
And Bookman can plenty.
Yeah, they did it.
For some by they not sabi right.
They don't get them. Then the second question was, all right, una we say una don't own the constitution, una get them.
Yes.
How many of una don't read them? That again, people they know plenty.
Okay.
So you find out say, beaucoup people Beyond the talk now, I can always say, you can hear man say, it is unconstitutional. It is this, but it not really know what they talk about.
Exactly.
Man, they talk about human rights, they don't know what in the Constitution say about human rights. Man, they talk about this, they don't know. So, the first thing we will be there for doing, and the most important thing, now for make the Constitution available.
Okay, so now make it available to the public.
Yes, we print a lot, and I have you left out. You see, the Constitution we will get for review. Government will not ask Peter Tucker for making review the Constitution.
Okay.
So Peter Tucker will not review this Constitution here, where he present a report to government in 2008. But because of the workload and other things where government, because we get a change of government.
Yes.
You know, so government not be really able for look at the whole thing for do something about it.
No, but so everything from Mulengwan for understand. You talk about change of government. That means to say, before 2007, the government we been the SLPP-led government we been the before 2007, where this present government came. Now then been done assign
yes.
Dr. Peter Tucker with certain people for review this same 1991 constitution.
Yes.
And Dr. Peter Tucker been done, but then the presentation of the report it can fall in 2008.
Yes.
We can meet up now APC-led government. So people family, I think you need to forget this one. Yeah, so clear. Because somebody say, oh, why this present government want for amend constitution? Why review? Now the point don't come out clear. See, the constitution in review one. Now before 2007, that issue they don't come. That government will be getting at this country will be led by late Dr. Ahmad Tijan Kaba, and they mean commission Dr. Peter Tucker and other people for looking inside this 1991 constitution. And by the time way that commission they done 2008 Donka and other government did. So they didn't present the reports. Yes, I know we take that from that.
And Mark, you one thing again people get for that constitution there.
Yes, sir.
If it don't come into being 1991, right?
Yeah.
But by the time when they come into being 1992, now NPRC oust the APC government.
Okay, this present 1991 constitution.
Yes.
But so, even though it was enacted
in an abeyance because from 1992 we get soldier government
and suspend the constitution.
Exactly. So the constitution not be the work that day. Now military government will be there. Now decree will be there. So now only in 1996. When we get the civilian government, that are the SLPP government will take over from NPRC.
Okay.
Now after that, this constitution really begin work. And at that time there, as you say, government commission, Peter Tucker, and in commission for let them look at the constitution because it don't do for some time, it only done for some time, things then go don't happen.
Yes.
So now look at
development don't occur.
Yeah, if something there for change or something there for bring inside. So Peter do this thing with the commission. Then by the time when they done for present the report, we get change of government from SLPP to APC. So they present the report to the APC government. And if you look at the report, it marked the Peter Tucker report of 2008.
Okay.
So for some reason, the new government not be able to do anything about it until the first time done.
Yes.
Again, we don't hold election. Council election, this, that, and whatnot. When the government win, this government get the second term, 2012.
Yes.
The president decides, say, he will do something about that report they end the constitution.
Okay.
Now, so the Constitutional Review Committee born.
Okay.
So president decide in 2013 July for launch the Constitutional Review Committee, and the mandate of that committee now for let we review both the Peter Tucker report and the constitution itself. Okay. Because not to alter within the constitution Peter Tucker touch.
Okay.
So area then they not touch them.
Say them for left so.
Now the area, yes, the area they if you say either for pool or for auto, now they deal with.
Okay.
You see, but then the most important thing what the president said to we then was, look, this constitution here, now the people now then sovereign. You know, when we they talk about constitution and people, we they talk about two big things then at the country.
Yes, sir.
The constitution, now the major law, now this country, it pass all law.
Yes, sir.
And therefore, any law where you pass, we not go with waiting the constitution say, they can say a ultra virus.
Yes, sir.
That is not a law. Because now the constitution now the main law. Then you get the people there again on the one hand, they say now the people now they're sovereign. Now they're not the boss man.
Yes.
Anything where they say that makes now they elect president, now they elect members of parliament. Even the present constitution, now what would they do?
And then go say
The
they want
constitution say at the end of the day, now they for say yes before president sign now.
Okay.
So you can see the supremacy, the outside the people that day. And the people that don't show that now this country, if you take Bintumani 1 and 2,
Yes, sir.
so Yamande, when they call gone, say no, we want peace before election. The people they say nothing. We want election before peace. And now that happened.
That's me.
So
Yes.
now the supremacy that of the
Yes,
people.
yes.
So what in president be they say, if them people here now they get this kind of power, me self now then they elect me, parliament now they elect them, they can pull me, they can pull parliament. Well, this thing away una they do, let the people then tell you now what thing they want inside this thing, how they want for be governed.
Yes, sir.
If una not allow the people therefore tell una what thing they want inside this constitution, it not go work because it not go be credible.
Yes.
You see, so now so the thing come, they give, and if you look the composition of the CRC, you get I think 34 members.
So I'm going to
political.
come that side because Fambule and some mango the thing say well the people away form this constitutional review committee. Sometimes one great party or sometimes one great set of people them or a few people then come together say make them review because since now you are the boss man at the CIC, if he come out from you, you give just a brief setup of the structure of how CIC, the kind of people away did, right? I think people, family will get clear.
CRC comprise of political parties.
Okay.
SLPP gets 6, APC gets 6.
Okay.
All the other 8 political parties then get 3.
Yes, sir.
So you find out say out of the 80, the political parties they no more get I think 34.
Okay.
Out of that 80 days. Then you have market women are represented there. The civil society then did it.
Okay.
Lawyer then did it. Sludge did it. So every fabric of this society gets represented. The people there were disabled, one way or the other, when not they see, with disadvantage, they all get representation there.
Okay.
So the society now hodgepodge, we all there inside there.
Okay.
Everybody get for say what in get for say, not to deal with 2-3 people. And one of the things when they one way is that we for always arrive at with decisions by consensus.
Okay.
That is, we all get for agree. If we not agree, we for make sure say they one with the now the minority, we know what in they say.
Because at another point, if you say consensus mean to say all man for agree.
All man.
But sometimes it can difficult we can find issues for all man agree.
Yeah.
What if certain the one way agree them boku, one way no agree?
Yeah, una go take them as
okay.
the majority what they call, but una get for take into consideration the views of that minority.
Okay.
You not just they say
they're not important.
They're not important. No, you did not and don't make it day.
Okay.
Say na so it be. So as I mean, they say when presidents launch this thing, the first thing will be there for do. Now for let this constitution reach the people. Because I'm not gonna go talk to you about constitution thing where you don't know about. You're not go really the talk not go fine.
You know, it not go sweet.
Because it not go fine because you don't know what you do. Now me know what you they talk about me one day.
Yes.
And not to me for talk about that. Me for guide you, for let you tell me what you want.
Yes.
Because if you take some the people there where they apply, local government, the paramount chiefs there, like how government they try for change the local courts and all that, all they are the constitution. But if the people they don't know about them, they're not going to able for so the first thing we will do, we print a lot of them documents here. we shape our all round.
Okay, that's
Right through
the
the country.
1991 Constitution
And the Peter Tucker
Peter
report.
Tucker, Dr. Peter Tucker in report.
In report
Shape
208.
all over the country.
All over the country. And not to one term. We don't want 2-3 terms.
Okay.
And we not only stop at that. For them one way not they see. We don't do them in braille.
In Braille, wow.
We don't give them.
Yeah, that's great.
You know,
Yeah.
recently, say, when I make a tour up country, I find out say some area then they were the people then complain say they not get what they call. We come, we print some more, we give the youth commissioner. If we don't shape them, give the people there. Now, one of the subcommittees them, NDC, with Dr. Kabo now in the head them. Dr. Kabo don't try for translate
Okay.
the constitution into I think 5 of the languages.
I'm going to the point about for ask because if the CIC do so well for putting the 1991 Constitution and Dr. Peter Tucker in report of 2008, Sheba all over the country, even that, you get people that will then go all down and not sabi for reader. But if waiting inside that Constitution and that report, if they can reduce them to avoid recording, so man they hear say number 1 now this is say number 2 now it will help them. I don't think of that.
Yes, no, Dr. Kabo don't do them. I think
Okay.
NDC, the National Democratic, the people there.
Yes.
They don't translate them into 5 different languages. In fact, it been just about for launch them when this Ebola wahala come into Inaya, where we stop for whole public.
So now
meetings.
for you users.
So they use them small, and it will even go one stage further. That even they sort of provide a mobile cinema business.
Okay.
We be go get for
go round.
They show the people the audio. They show the people the waiting they happen. You know. Then one way not the hearing, then go see them, and then go able for what they call. So all that here we don't do them.
Okay.
Now the first step that where we take that, if this thing here get for really work, we get for let the people they get the material first.
Okay.
And that one day we don't do. In fact, now self we get about 10,000
Copies.
copies where we get for
All over the country.
shape back all over the country.
Okay, thank you very
we
much.
want to make sure say most people they get
Yes,
that.
thank you very much, Honorable Mr. Justice Edmund Kawan Fambolem. This na face to face with the law, with the journal, with the Constitutional Review Committee for come to you. And today the topic where we talk about the achievements and challenges of the CIC in 2014 and the prospect for 2015. See, so therefore talk about what's in 19 away the Constitutional Review Committee don't achieve in 2014, which are the challenges that the way Tawapande inside 2014. But this is not 2015. Waiting and they look for get under their control by the time we this year go done. And remember, so you can send a text at 079 008 602 079 008 602. Now, okay, back to you, sir. Now, like you said, they explained. I should say the Ebola outbreak it hit the CIC hard.
Yes.
How hard?
Well, it hit we hard because, you know, when President launched this year 2013,
Yes.
of course, this exercise here, government undertake them together with the international community.
Okay. So
Now, the
international
office
community
done-
put hand under
Yeah,
government.
they put hand on the government
see
for
the review go on well.
This review go on well.
Okay.
And they say the way we them they do them, then they hire then civil society people.
Okay.
Even SLBC self that they don't hire them, we make with the whole them program here. So that they
international
will
community.
promote yes, then they
Yes.
promote this thing here. They hire some CSOs there where they go around.
Okay.
Then they engage paramount chiefs.
Okay.
They engage the youth commission, the youth ministry. And when they engage them, so me self the committee members then will they go around with them
Okay.
so that we they talk together with them, because you see for distribute the document like one thing. The other thing is you get for fan messenger, the credible messenger, the people they listen to.
Okay.
Now then you they engage for carry the message go to the people.
To the community.
The
One with them respect.
With their respect.
Okay.
The paramount chiefs, you know, the leaders. I mean, some people that they don't go to the Suez, then they don't talk to them.
Yes.
Some members don't go other side through UN women. They don't go to some of them people, they don't talk to them. So, with the help of the international community, they put an on the way. They self they help with all the do this thing. We declare the news go to the people.
Okay.
So we don't able for engage political parties, women's political party members,
APWA,
APA, you know, the youths. They all don't involve participate, and they all don't play a big role up to now.
Okay.
But the Ebola now, you see, when we start this thing, we will get some constraints with money business.
No, money not be the problem.
Now been the start, now been the problem. The beginning.
I remember then and the way we can program over and over, people they say, oh, we want for do this, we short of money, we want for do this cup on all day. That they be not solved?
Yeah, well, it be not solved.
Okay.
What did that be the problem? You know, then we international padia, when on do that, when the camper come, they can want for begin shift the goalposts. Then one for they get, you know, you're not the blame.
Things for go out there want
they get for do things out there want them.
Yes.
You see, but we've been there for put to food down and tell them, say, look, make I tell you something. This day here, now with constitution, you say you they can't help we for let we make them fine, so that this country go where they call. But still, now we own.
Yes.
You now help, you can't help we.
Yes.
You get for cooperate with we. And me own mandate. Now me, they in charge of this thing. If we are not cooperate with we, all what you they do, now buff.
Yes.
So they be don't see sense anyway.
Okay.
Where they will they work hand in hand now. So government, we say if we go back to government to tell government, now president say, oh no, not worry. He say, I will go all out. We don't set this thing now, we don't go left on us.
Okay.
I they go all out for see what thing will happen between the Attorney General and the Ministry of Finance. But the unfortunate side was just about the time when government get this money, where they give we.
Okay.
They give we all the money.
Oh, I need.
Yes, we're able to pay all with, you know, say we'll be order vehicle then, we for go up country, this, that.
Yes.
Now been pre-financed, what they call.
Yes.
So government give we this money, we pay all the people there, we sell, we buy the vehicle there.
Contractor.
We pay all with debts there.
Okay.
Then we sit down now.
For begin your operation.
For we technical advisor, United Nations give we technical advisor.
Okay.
He come, a very good man, Sana. He come, we sit down, we draw up, we plan how we they go do. We begin work. Now Ebola come. So when Ebola come, and you know, the bulk of the people they all get for talk to now upline them.
Now upline them because people get for no say fit or no to salon.
Yeah, we don't set.
Yes.
We don't set for make we program for go all the places. We don't draw up the program that day.
Okay.
We don't draw up now Ebola come.
So if this Ebola don't come now, CIC work stop?
No. Okay. They not go stop.
Because some man they say CIC for don't stop all thing because free to not to salon, CIC not going to operate free to no more. But all thing for stop. Ebola, the way United Nations say Ebola don't done a salon, CIC can begin work back. That's some people they say.
Me not see sense for that.
Okay.
Government not stop.
Okay.
Government they run. We all they go work in the morning.
Yes.
Right?
Oh, they go for antidote.
If we they talk about for make arrangement now for post Ebola.
Yes.
We not the wait where Ebola done now. We they make arrangements for post Ebola. Now we they begin make the arrangement there.
Yes.
So that as Ebola they done.
Yes.
We they do what we get for do.
Yes, sir.
Otherwise, by the time when Ebola they done, let we say March. Now the time that we they begin plan for put something there in place. Then I so take December.
Yes.
And now that make government self not wait. When government see say this Ebola business come, a call Ministry of Education and say, well, where not the way them PK not they go school where una go able to do something. Not to him bring about this television and radio program there.
And we said the big one except would be the member far.
Yeah, exactly.
The follower.
Yes. So when this Ebola come, we not sit down. We say, okay, this thing I don't stop with. We not able to go up country for go meet the people that day.
Yes.
Because they be don't lock down some districts. You know they go in Kenema, you know they go Kairao, you know they go here, you know they go here. No touch. Not do this, not do that. All that thing they dangerous. So we can't expose people. But what thing we do, we say, okay, let we not sit down so. Let we try for see how we go organize ourselves for do something. And at that we do what we do. We get with 8 subcommittees there.
Okay.
We make appointments with government departments, ministries, agencies, institutions, organizations, this, that. We they go talk to them. When they go hold dialogue.
Okay.
We print questionnaires where we shape the day. We say on answer and send it to we. On send on position papers to we. We don't get over 50 position papers from organizations, CSOs and this, that.
Right at the same time, government effects.
Well, exactly. So
I said the push and small.
When we get them position paper there now,
yes,
and the results of them we meetings where we they hold, we they do some backroom work, we they sit down, we they collect the information they where we get. Because we get for right report.
Yes.
Not to when all things done, you they sit down, you begin collecting them today, and we get time frame.
Okay.
If this Ebola business not become this March 2015, we for present we report.
Okay.
But because we not able to do anything,
Ebola put we behind.
Put we behind. But still, when they gather their information, yeah, small. So by the time we things they done, really way Ebola, we they see him back. We go to look for only for go up country, not to Freetown again.
Okay.
Because Freetown we go down do a lot of work.
A lot of work. Yeah. Afambule, this is face to face with the law, with the journal, with the Constitutional Review Committee. They deal with the topic today, the achievements and challenges that the Constitutional Review Committee don't get or don't go through in 2014, and waiting at the good thing or the thing away the same CIC one for get inside 2015, and we guest today now the Honorable Mr. Justice Edmund Kawan, the chairman of the Constitutional Review Committee. We try for explain everything we concern the CIC. In a way, sometimes they doubt you. In a way, you want to forget clear. With the gun and family, you can join. You can send a text now 079 008 602 079 008 602. Ask any question, make a contribution. Honorable Justice Kawan there, he will answer you, and you will get them clear. Now we'll come back to you, Honorable Mr. Justice Kawan. I think say somebody go to watch we or they listen to we they say one thing say one of the difficulties where the CIC get in 2014 and that some people resign out of the 80 way being begin some come out and something that keep people then come out. How do they affect?
No, I don't think it affect you. You know, when you get crowd like that and the 80 people,
yes,
you get different categories of people.
Okay.
You know, you get the ones that were motivated, were committed.
Okay.
Then one day at the core. And as far as me concerned, now then kind of people they look for.
Okay.
When now then they form the nucleus.
Yes, sir.
Now then you abopan. Then one day when they come out, you will get problem.
Okay.
And God don't make, we get big people there, where they now the committee now we committed.
Okay.
Every time we call them, then they come.
Okay.
Some people then they will go because they're not able to get their way. They say they're not they come
okay.
again.
So now waiting then, if you say waiting then talk now for me. Waiting then once now in the committee for you.
So when it be so, they not come again. Some people then they, for other reasons, probably they can't work with and they do. They're not able to find time for continue, so they're not come again. But I think people that we don't write really for resign, I don't think they reach for.
Okay.
I don't think they reach for. We really write say me I not mix again.
Okay.
The other one them, as I say, either because of the kind of work with them they do, or because of this Ebola business, this that they just left handle for the time being. But one thing where I can assure the public is that we get a very strong working team presently.
Okay.
We're very committed. Any day we call them, then they come.
Okay.
They don't falter at all.
Okay. Well, that one are good news. But taking family go on for no see, they want to make you explain. Now, talking about reviewing the constitution, a concerned political party them. Now, you don't explain say, by the 80 people that we form this constitutional review committee, about 34 are from political party them. But family one for no, because they all belong to some of them party there. How them party are they participate in CIC business, And two, what are the kind people where they represent them party na the CIC? They go on for no. So my men say, well, they don't hear with party voice. They don't.
The people there when they represent the party then the CIC, not top people.
Okay.
You take like SLPP, you get the chairman, you get the secretary general,
Okay.
you get Mrs. Kaba,
Yes.
you get John Opojo Benjamin.
Yes.
You take APC, you get the women's leader,
Yes.
Elizabeth Mans.
Yes.
You get the secretary general of the APC, Usman Yansane.
Yes.
Then they come regularly. Then they make offers. You get PMDC, you get Dr. Sise Nafrabe College,
Yes.
one or two other people. The other party,
UDM.
you get the leader.
Yes.
The other party,
Bangla
in
Association.
fact, now the leadership of the party, now the CRC,
So-
they all day
Okay.
with the membership.
And then they cooperate fully.
Then they cooperate fully. Look like Mr. Jansen, and there are times when I can say to myself, I don't understand how this man they do this thing. Secretary General of APC, he is head of the research committee. And
CIC.
Now CIC, and every time there is a meeting, he is there. Chief Sumana, if he can help it, he is there always. Banja Tijansi, they all come. Now I can tell you today, say, we get a core group of people
Okay.
we're committed,
Okay.
we want to see a success of this thing, and then they come, and especially that coming from the political party then,
Okay.
where that caliber, the leadership, they're not left and give.
So if
with
Ebola with the
the-
veterans, so then still they cooperate.
Then they come.
So then
They
take
come
very
very no
serious.
more than they come. No, I'm being very serious.
Okay.
I'm being very. Anybody can go check.
Okay.
Then they come.
Okay. Honorable Mr. Justice Edmond Kawan, you know, who finally we done this program. One particular question that we family when they watch me so go really want for me. I ask you now that get people that will believe see this constitutional review committee then form am purely because they want to give the present government or the president a third term. You can comment on that.
I don't know about that.
Okay.
But what I go tell you is, you self been don't answer this question.
Yes.
When I talk something, you say, but wait to Justice Kawan. So this thing here, now from Tijan Kaba in time, it start.
Yes.
Now when we get change of government, now in this government here inheritance.
Yes.
So not to this government start up.
No. No.
In fact, not to the start step.
Yes.
You see, this thing it don't start from President Momo in time when he bring about this constitution.
That
when he say,
1991.
"Let's
Actually,
go
they
back-
don't so-
let's go
soldier
back
camp."
to multi-party,
Yes.
what they call. As Peter Tucker again, now him been there.
Yes.
And mark you, I mean, you can see the person when I Peter Tucker when I head that year, you know, by the time when Peter Tucker they done the what they call when they don't pass him into law, this that 1992, when the thing for come into when they for come into play, now in the MPRC could take place.
Okay.
So they suspend the constitution. So in they don't. When the civilian government, the SLPP civilian government come, they say, this thing here, all right, it not been come, but now let we see what if we can do some of upgrading.
Okay.
Peter will look this thing here for way again. It do am right through that period day. The constitution work, they do am. But by the time when they write a report, we go to elections in 2007. The report come out in 2008. That ended a new government coming now. So, as far as me concerned, I don't know. You know, everybody is entitled to their own opinion. But me feel say, now purely a constitutional matter. And after all,
No, you see,
constitution a political document.
Yes, and the
and
point,
we dey deal with politicians.
Yes, the point where people they want for, I know say all the labor for explain to winner that one, now the people they for decide, we see for the inside the review constitution. CIC not get any mind where they say they make up their mind. But people then they go with that funny thought and feeling and belief say CIC mind already make up. And because of third term issue, make CIC, and that was that CIC they work. And that one day,
Well,
they
we might made up about waiting.
about giving a third term, putting a third term.
Well, not only they give the third term. For now, make I explain this to people
Yes.
when they understand.
Yes.
This review, what would they do? The president self-talk say, for let this thing be credible, it for belong to the people for own them. All right? It for be the owner, waiting they say for this side, not to waiting CRC say, oh. CRC, we not scribe, we not letter writers, waiting the people they tell when I will write. Because the process is, when we don't get all the information, we don't do with draft. We they go back to the people they say, waiting when I be tell we, now
if now we write, now we look back.
When I look back, they say yes.
Okay.
Then at that time they would go write the report. If they say no, something that they will on a miss, then we go we sit down back where they call them.
Okay.
But then they not stop there. When we don't done what we do, we send a report to government. Government get for look them and accept them
Okay.
on behalf of the people.
Okay.
And government in self get for realize say now the people they put them there.
Yes.
They get for vote for them.
Yes.
When they don't do and they can't go parliament. Parliament self now the people they vote for them, not so.
Yes.
Now the supremacy of the people, the sovereignty of the people, where they talk about.
Yes.
But then the very constitution when they say, let we review, let we look at them and see whether we can do some what they call them or what is the people they agree for. It say, when all this done, Mr. President, before you sign that document there, you for hold a referendum.
For go back to people there.
You get for go back to you people there. Let them say yes
or no.
you can sign them. Now waiting we say 9 days, 9 days inside there. Now waiting me get for say who side CRC coming. You when are the people? They say now you get the final say.
Yes, sir.
You just grab you go say yes. Agree. If anything go wrong, you get for blame me?
No.
What me do? In fact, not to me, they draw up referendum question. CRC, the day when we hand over that report they give government, we don't come out inside, fail. Completely, we don't come out. We don't get no say again. We don't get no control. But the point where I stress is, if the law don't put the power in you, the people of this country, and the political party where they rule, the government don't say, now so, the law say, and we agree for Leona what they call. Then when the time reach, they go ask you the question. You say they play politics with that question. They ask you, who do you get for blame?
Is the blame yourself?
Now yourself you get for blame.
Yes.
So this question of people they say now we want to forgive president third term. And one thing where I be saying today, somebody be try for interview me on this third term business. Believe you me, lawyer for now, nobody no come to me yet.
Okay.
Or to CRC for talk about third term.
Okay.
Nobody. Down there, I can put my neck in the block and tell people that categorically.
And good make some
that,
people
that one day, no politician, president, this or that. But you know, I don't even understand.
I know.
Here is a committee where get 34 political party there.
Yes.
Eh? If even at that, who that get for putting food down? Now me?
No, like the political party.
Hey, boy. Not the politician.
Yes.
We not servers. We not people that we pick because of we know how.
Yes.
Me not lawyer.
Yes.
I don't be judge. I don't be speaker. Then the other people then they all get their views. What is civil society they do?
Yeah.
But when government agree, if government be really want for twist this thing, it go agree for let all the people they go inside.
No.
That
adjust that.
They go just adjust. Call the young people there.
Yes.
They go where they call. But
Yes.
when they put all the civil society, political parties, market women, trade unionists, disabled people and this that. But if they say go sit down inside that place, they not to me they decide. Oh,
No.
I'm just one man. In fact, first amongst equals.
Exactly.
Just for make they control the meetings, they hold. Now make one grain. If all man say yes, what he go say? I go say no.
And your voice not go passive.
Exactly.
But with Mr. Justice Edmund Kawan, tell me the case small. What's in the prospect that we the CIC they expect in 2015?
Well, we look forward to this Ebola.
Okay, for
make it done.
Yes.
But before what they call, I may not already take an initiative. We don't take an initiative. I don't hold discussions with Attorney General. Okay. I don't try to bring to your attention the problem is that we'll not go able for President to report
in time.
Okay. You know that in fact it totally they're out of the question.
Yeah.
Because March now next to March.
Yes.
Still Ebola not done yet. So we not go able. It's just impossible for let we present a report because we not even begin yet. So I will not bring a to Attorney General in attention. It been they work on them for let the power go know so that we go hold a meeting and this that. And one good thing is that the EU prepare if we prepare for extend the time.
European Union.
Yes, they prepare for fund we up to that 10 days. So
gonna journey extension.
Yeah, it's journey. Yeah, well, I mean, nothing will not be planned for.
Okay.
It's your boss per week.
Okay. Know. Before we round up, two set of questions don't come. I just want to read through them. Some of them, I just comment them. You go look the way we think say important and we necessary for the answer. The first one say, he say, we tell God thank you for this program, and do you want to continue for sensitize we. CIC for all Sobepa and this particular program. Then they say if I'm glad. Other person say, he say, waiting next CIC gets for this 2015, where Ebola still inside the country, it's still with we. Waiting because 2014 Ebola don't fit 2015 begin and back with Ebola. So waiting next the CIC get.
Waiting we get will they continue
okay
for lay the foundation for build upon them so that as I've been say we don't want for wait so take Ebola done before we do some things there.
Okay.
We they do that now. You see? But now backroom business we they do, they go meet people because they will not get for call big meeting with people there. But we can call people now with office for let we sit down, let them tell now make we they try for what would they do now? Would they try for encourage people on a right to we? What do you want later then at this constitution? Right to we and tell we if we na group, if we na a group where they call. Una sit down, una come together, una look the constitution, una right to we give we una own position, waiting una want. And any question we una want, we office there, na Miata conference or una go there.
Okay.
You know, or una can come to we. We can see. In fact, this Friday, if I get for talk to Cathedral Mothers Union,
okay,
they don't invite me.
Okay.
Say, do you come? Make you can talk to we. You know, this is like a small group band of church women.
Yes.
We want for no. Because they're a mother union.
Yeah.
Would they talk about teenage pregnancy?
Yeah.
Would they talk about violence?
Yes.
In the homes?
Yes.
They're people, they're not church people, they're mothers union. They're not mama them. So they want for no.
Okay.
Waiting this whole thing there about and waiting themselves go able for do.
For contribute.
When are the kind of thing like this, where would they
small
continue for do small, even Ebola, you see, will they complement government?
Yes.
Because government not to when Ebola, the government will begin when they call it. Mr. CIC una kaya. What una want do now, no? By the time where they don't, when they go meet, they say, now so will be done, now so we want continue for do.
Okay. Now good. So what did they ask? He say, Mr. Chairman, he said, yeah, the CIC committee, it don't a mandate. He said, if the answer is yes, we think that the way forward. He said, but if the answer is no, he said, what are we expectation? What are the expectation of Salone people?
Well, we're not done with mandate yet. Now they talk just now say with the because of this Ebola, we're not able for now this March 2015 we for present we final report. But in the circumstance we're not able to do it. But what you with the question what the person say?
He say if the mandate if he not done it, he say waiting now the expectation of Salone people.
Well, the expectation of Salone people is that we for all work together. Let them help we. Now then get the constitution so that at the end of the day, we will come out with a very good document. We will enhance the governance of this country.
Okay, thank you. So what is it? Say, Honorable Mr. Justice Kawan, say we no want foresee same-sex marriage inside we constitution. So no one say and they. So there, say you and the CIC, make a member say salon. We forget God that this country too much. You say that kind of thing they will no want time. Say that for the law animally.
Well, you see, we can only get that kind of thing inside with constitution if people like
if the people say
they want it inside there.
Yes.
Now these are the talk.
Yes.
This document here, fumble them. Understand this. This document here. Now the people, now they call people power. Now when I get the power in this country, what you want, now they be.
Okay.
Anything one I don't want inside this document, I make the constitution itself say when all things done. Before Papa President signed that document, if I go back to una and say I sign them
or I not
sign them.
Yes.
If una say sign them, then I go sign them.
Okay. Honorable Justice Council, somebody say, he say, yeah. He say, you see where the bar young? He say, bar waiting at age. And are you then the collectors? But just can't be the round up now. Before we round up, we get this Ebola away, David Tree, and we see, we don't try as a country and as a people. Because everything that this country right now a border on this Ebola. But what do you think that the thing for do as salon people more for this figure we don't begin can so they can do more?
Well, the only thing we make say we go do, let people then listen to what President Nkrumah they say. What the health people when are they not the people. You know, government don't do all what they get for do. But as even the white people wake up, I think they listen to one of the army people there first they wake up. They say, look, we go come with all things, laboratory, hospital, this, that. They say, but that on a tribal business, then on a culture,
tradition,
then tradition, yeah. If we are not left a small bit, it not go work. Now that we get for and we get for listen. Because me, I don't really understand people. This thing they kill you. They say not do this, you say I go do them. And me think say, if they really follow president, the things the way they talk, way they plead with people, they don't cajole we, they don't coax we, they don't bring law, they don't bring this. But still some people that they in this society are, we then just feel say they get angais. But I think say we all don't see. I think we don't agree now.
Small.
Because the dramatic way the thing go, especially with this Operation Surge.
Yes.
You know where they work now. You know, I make you always say Saloma na coward.
In like for the example.
Now, if you see your iPad no more. I mean, when government does say this, all man does say, hey, pa make this 6 to 6, make her 6 to 7. Make her this. We don't use her.
We don't use her now, any fine.
We don't use her, and we they see the benefit.
Yes.
We they see the benefit.
Yes.
How this thing be alarming today, not to so a day again. All man don't they accept as small. You know, I mean, they say, I think, waiting banana need before they die, they will do force.
Yes.
So this day I must go forward first. The way you see it all begin drop, so now we will just continue for pray and for tell government say power is on a don't start so do ya on a let your push a let press.
I know say Papa
You know,
government.
I mean, not all man go like them, but if for done, you know, otherwise, I mean, we go among the one pool with respect per week.
I know.
And we don't agree at all.
I'm going to hear everything. Only just come and see. If we want to respect per week, we not agree. You can tell just say goodbye to family.
Family then, now that we go listen to what somebody say, we go they come often for make we update to now as to what we they do. But do ya let we not say because Ebola day we for just left the country, so concentrate all part Ebola the other side and they open the other fed open. So
trouble go pass.
It go pass.
My family we don't round up on behalf of me producer Mr. Michael Kagbo and Sanke Bayawe assistant and the studio crew. I tell you one really the machine one for tell them Boku Tenki. Me one for say to you where they play with that Ebola update. Where they go download on a computer, you they go give wrong figure for you they provoke the issue. This is not an issue for provoke at all. This is something where as a country we concern. Every day people they look forward to the Well Body Ministry and NAC for come out with the updates. We go make we know how the Ebola, how they fit and how they fit they go. But you they use, whether you use politics, you they use your own way, you they go on a computer, you download the system and put wrong figure than they. And for tell you say, for me it's almost treason. It's reasonable. Don't do it. Stop it. This is a country. Let us have a system and let us do things correct. It's Ebola not for joke at all. When you figure it out, everybody want to know, all they follow, all they pray. The houses then they pray, one they join and the workman they all they work. But if you go put wrong figure, we feel say, oh, it correct. Then you know go find the other day now. 3 different figures, then give 2, then give 22, then give 12. I don't think say right. We attitude them wrong, we get for change them. But until we meet again, like James Fona say goodbye to you. Bye bye.
Bye.